week of July. Okay, so I think this week is still tradable because we don't have any major news on the dollars. The non-farm maybe should be next week. So yeah. So maybe we will. This week will be the final week we can trade before the major news like the interest rate of the Fed, and the non-farm. So we have to be careful this week. Okay, so for the let's start with the pound and the dollars. Okay, so I can, as from my previous video, I can see that the price have shifting from bullish to bearish after the breaks of the major zone. So a change of character, whatever you can call it, and we can see that the price begin the downtrend movement. And for this pair, I'm looking for a breakout strategy with the Sonic R. Okay, because first I can see that the price has moved under the EMA bands, so it's suggesting that we should prefer sell shorting rather than long. Say on H4 the price is under these two EMAs. Also on H1 the price also under the EMAs, and price has closed below the two bands. So I am waiting for a breakout on this swing low. Okay, and our target would be 1.5 R. So that should be around 45 bips. Or potentially around here if we can wait for more, but I think 1.5 R is ideally, because the next week the non-farm at the beginning of August. So we have this pair and another dollars pair I want to particular waiting for a potential trade is the gold. We can see that the price is bearish after the shift of structure on a higher time frame. However, on a lower time frame, we can analyze that the price has found the support zone and is reacting to it. And on H1 time frame, I can see there's a pattern of the head and shoulder pattern. You can see that the price has broken the trend line, the neckline. Okay. So maybe this week we're looking forward to bullish on the gold. And another major pairs I want to talk about is the BTC and USD pair. For this pair, I'm looking for the breakout entry strategy. So on H4, first of all, let's talk about the overall market structure first. We can see that the price has shifted from bearish into bullish, and our indicator also support that price has closed above both the EMA, suggesting that we should prefer long rather than short. And on H1 also the price has above the two EMAs, so we should looking for a long entry. And there's we have see that the price has broken the trend line, so I am looking for a long entry, maybe this swing high, but before it needs to break the swing high, the price should move, the path of the price should move something like this. It needs to find the EMA once again, because the price has gone pretty far from the EMAs. So from price action, we should retrace to the EMAs before making a breakout. So our strategy should be when the price has broken out, and looking for 1.5R. Okay, 1.5R. So we just need to wait for the Bitcoin. And the last one I want to talk about is the J's, the yin pairs. For this particular, we don't use the sonic on the indicator, because we should base on our price action. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's start with the euro and the yen. On daily time frame, you can see that there's a pretty weak doji candle, so it reacting to this level. Okay, and after witnessing a huge bearish movement, a downtrend, we can see that the price has found the support and reacting to it. But it doesn't mean that the price should reverse, because price don't move into a simple direction. It needs complexity after an impulse. Okay, we have an impulse over here, so it's a downtrend, and price is entering the neutral phase, and you can see that price has ranging. So it doesn't mean that the price might go up, because the price might go down, because it could be like a consolidation. So bearish consolidation, and then continue the bearish. Okay, or if reverse, it should be escaping this box over here. So you can see the same pattern with other yin pairs. Prices enter the sideways ranging zone. Okay, so that's the plan for the final week, the last week of July. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing.